What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to customize or how to edit the WordPress website footer section into the block themes or the full site editor, the new way to edit WordPress, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much that helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in our choose international sites favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do is navigate to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover a mouse over appearance and click on editor, okay? For this video we're gonna be using the 2024 WordPress theme, okay? After clicking on edit, you're gonna be able to see a page almost like this one. Review the left sidebar of menus, hover your mouse and click on patterns, okay, next to templates. Scroll it down until the very bottom until you can see the option called template parts. We have header, footer and general. Click on footer, okay? And right here we have a template part that represents the footer of our site. Click on it. Here is our footer section. We're gonna click into this little pencil icon to edit. Now we can fully customize our footer section. We can apply new blocks in the case that we want. We can change texts. For example, right here, we can remove the WordPress link and change it for example, Visual Modo. And we can apply a link right here to Visual Modo. Let me copy the URL. Place right here and link place it. We also can click onto this image and make it bigger. We can apply some text right here. And we can customize the pages that appears right here. Or enter new page, in the case that we need it, as well as applying, for example, an image right here. For example, something like this. Maybe. Let's save the change to review these results. To save, all we have to do is click into the upper right corner of our screen into the blue button called save. Now let's review what we got. Let's just scroll it down so we can review the settings and the changes. And this is the result. If you don't like the image, click on it. Click into these three little dots, call it options, and the last option, call it delete. And you can replace this with anything that you want. If you like this section, we can copy this one to place this one. We can apply columns, we can change other elements. You can do wherever you want to customize the footer on your site. You're gonna have full control over it. After change made, remember that you can, for example, change the background color, change the positions, but you are free to edit in the way that you want. After making all your changes, hit the save button 2 times to save the change, and we are good to go. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the Visual Modo borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site. Or Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Our Growth.net platform, a place where we can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts. Sites.gallery, that is a place where we can promote your app, your game, your landing page, your website design. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click for every single business style. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and I see you tomorrow. All the best!